Kabir proposed 3 times. Each time she said no, until she didn't.
Didi, Bhai is getting engaged. Your lehenga is so pretty. Kabar Bhai is the luckiest.
They make a beautiful couple. Thank God she ran and thank God she found him.
Our father died when Kabir was 12. He's been both parents to us since. Today, to my brother.
She found her voice first, Shobha Unti. The right someone came after.
I can't give you much. But I can give you this, my word, forever.
I don't need much. Just you. Today, the Basti wore colors it had never worn before. Green, white, red, gold. But the brightest was hope.
Are you ready?
Every day since that machine took your father, we've been ready. Let's get him justice. 5 years of being told to move on. Today, they look at us.
Kabir and Rhea sue Malhotra Mill for negligence. The court will review admissibility.
The court accepts this case. Trial date 3 months from today.
5 years. We'll build our case.
Justice for Shyam! Today, we stand together. No more silence! No more silence!
We fight together. Today, we're not alone.
Today, justice is not a luxury. It has a date and it has a city behind it.
They found me. They know I'm testifying. Change your statement or your children suffer. They said my family won't survive if I testify.
Then they won't be in the city. You testify without due fear. What if your family left the city? I can help.
I don't have anyone outside Solpar. No relatives, no contacts. Hello?
They're safe. Now can you testify?
You moved them. I kept my word. For Shyam, for all workers.
Courage needs a shield. And she was building one, brick by brick. All rise. The Honorable Judge Anali Deshmukh presiding. Case 2471, Kabir Sharma versus Malhotra Textile Mill.
The incident was 5 years ago. Case should be dismissed.
The clock starts from discovery, not the incident. The day my husband lost his father, justice died. We are here to revive it. The clock starts from discovery, not the incident. My father-in-law's maintenance request, filed and denied.
Is this is fabricated?
Your signature on it, in your own hand.
More testimony. Dharma Ahire takes the stand.
I knew. But hearing it in court, it cut deep.
Recess. Verdict in 7 days.
After 5 years, 7 days is nothing. Savitiv Malhot, we need this case dismissed. Money is not a problem. The case isn't going away, and neither is our shame.
This family is built on bribs, on dead workers, on lies. My hands are covered in other people's blood. This is business. You will learn. I'm leaving this house. No inheritance, no name. I'll have your son.
You walk out that door, you are no longer my son.
Then I was never really your son. I was your heir, and I'm renouncing that. Goodbye, mother. I drove until I reached the edge of Mehta Basti. These families had nothing, yet they fought for justice. I had everything, and it meant nothing.
We want justice. an apology for Kabir and every worker.
Factory workers group, local news, women's rights organizations, all shared. We're trending in Solpur.
The drums! Where are the drums? Come everyone, dance!
No caste, no religion. Truth. We are the answer.
My daughter on the news, not for being disgraced. She broke the chain. My daughter fought for this. Every woman in our family was taught to stay silent.
We don't want money. We want justice. Apology for Kabir and every worker. A daughter from Mehta Basti, the city behind.
Kabir, in old logbook. Shyam Sharma, worker log.
Dad, now I have proof. Every fault, every complaint.
Look, machine 7, safety lock broken, reported 3 times, no response. 3 times, all denied. They knew, and they sent him in anyway.
A worker's own log documenting the hazards he reported. It's admissible in court.
We need to give this to the lawyer.
12 years. Your words finally break through. 3 people stood in a broken courtyard, holding a dead man's words, and felt he was not forgotten. On the day of the incident, I was the duty supervisor. Dharma Banudas are here. Today, I speak.
Machine 7 safety lock broken 3 weeks. Filed report denied by mill owner. Who denied it? Rajesh Malhotra himself. Even the owner signed it himself. Dated 3 days before Shyam died. Even the owner signed it himself. He killed Shyam with his own hand. After Shyam died, all witnesses were warned, speak and your family suffer.
Someone catch her, she's falling!
What Dharma said is true. My father knew. A son proved his father guilty. The gavel struck and the Malhotra Empire began to fall.